Do you need to use the APA 7th edition referencing style for an assignment and you're not sure where to start? Keep watching and you'll learn about the basics of referencing in this style, and we'll show you a great tool to help you out. With referencing in any style, formatting matters. This means that you need to provide information such as the author's name, year of publication, and title of text in the correct order. On top of that, punctuation needs to be used accurately. For example, full stops, commas, quotation marks, and brackets need to be used in the right place. And also, you need to pay attention to your use of italics in your reference list. To help students with their referencing, RMIT has developed a tool called Cite. It gives you general information about the most common referencing styles used at RMIT, and it tells you the rules for citation and referencing, as well as providing you with examples. Once you've entered Cite, different referencing styles can be found across the top of the page. Let's select APA 7th edition. Now other options will appear on a new menu. They are different source material types that you may need to reference, such as books and journal articles. Let's imagine that we need to reference a journal article with one author. We can select those options from the menus. And now we'll find rules and examples for how to do paraphrases, direct quotes, and reference list entries. The example on Cite tells us that we can do one of two things when paraphrasing. Firstly, at the beginning of the sentence, I can include the author's surname in my sentence, and then the year of publication in brackets. Or, at the end of the sentence, I could include the following inside brackets: the author's surname and the year of publication separated by a comma. For direct quotes, put the author's actual words inside quotation marks and include the page number, if you can locate it, at the end of the sentence. If you can't locate the page number, use a paragraph number, a chapter number, or a section heading to help your reader locate the information. So how do I make a reference list entry in APA 7th edition? Well, it depends on what you want to reference. Different materials require different information and different formatting. Let's pretend that we need to reference an author called Abdul, who wrote a journal article called The Art of Coding in 2023. The example on Cite tells us that we need to include the author's surname and their first initials, followed by the year of publication in brackets and the title of the article. Next, we need to include the title of the journal, and this comes in italics, then the volume and issue number of the article and its page range. The volume number should be in italics, and the issue number should be in brackets. Lastly, we need to include the article's DOI. Now we just need to format the information from Abdul's article in the same way as the example from Cite. So there you go, the basics of referencing in APA 7th edition. Don't forget to use Cite to help you with your referencing.